Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to talk to you about COOKEEZ Maker's Irresistible Cinnamon Treats Oven Adventure. The COOKEEZ Makery Baked Treats Oven is an interactive allowing kids to show creative expression through a mixing and molding activity. When they first open the oven, they will discover the ingredients they need to mix from dough. Using the pet mold and the spatula, they can shape their own dough and add cute features to create cute face and paws. And the big wow feature of the COOKEEZ Makery oven is when your child's dough changes to become a warm, delicately scented interactive plush toy. The baking process is where the magic happens. After 90 seconds, the timer will ding, telling your child that their new plush friend is baked and ready to meet you. When they open the oven door, the most adorably tasted, scented bestie is revealed. In the COOKEEZ Makery Baked Treats oven has one of the most amazing surprises reveals of any toy. When your child opens up the oven door after its timer goes off, not only do they see an adorable plush, but they will also feel its warmth as they hold it and smell its delicious scent. It's just like a freshly baked treat. If you are interested in this product, you will find it in the description down below. Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.